My name is Mary Liu. I am with the Singapore NTUC, National Trades Union Congress. I'm the president in NTUC. COVID-19 has impacted our nation, our economies, businesses, jobs, and in fact, it has even reshaped the way we work, live, and play. And it has tremendous impact on all of us. So I think it is also very important for us as a labor movement in NTUC that we have to protect and look out for our workers, especially in the aspect of their safety and their health as well. And we have also been having a very close collaboration with our tripartite partners to respond very swiftly to in the whole of a nation efforts, especially. So, like for example, we have also convinced the National Wage Council earlier than usual, and we have even issued more than 10 advisories to give clear guidance to employers and workers in taking responsible action to cope with the COVID-19 situation. And I'm glad that our government came up with the unity budget, the resilience budget, and the latest was the solidarity budget. And this is really to help businesses and workers to cope with this COVID-19 situation. And we also have the Enhanced Job Support Scheme. This Enhanced Job Support Scheme is really to help our employers to implement cost-cutting measures, like shorter work week, no pay leave arrangement, as well as a wage cut if necessary. So with this job support scheme, actually the government is subsidizing, like for example, the month of April, May, subsidizing more than 75% of the wages. So that this is to help companies, with their cash flow, so that our workers can also retain their jobs. In fact, for the longest time, we have been pushing for flexible work arrangement, but it has been quite an uphill task. But right now, flexible work arrangement becomes natural. I think because employers have no choice, but then it goes to show that, it is workable, it can be done. Social dialogue is very, very critical. And I can't place more emphasis on this again and again. We must never take tripartism for granted. And we have to keep this going. And not only that, I think workers must also remember and must also recognize that we are not in it alone. We are all together in this unprecedented journey. And as a labor movement, NTUC, we are here to help them to navigate together with them through this very difficult time. And we have to tap on all resources like resilience, solidarity budget that the government provide, including the job support scheme, training scheme to support our workers. I think these are very, very critical point at this time, to help our businesses and our workers. And also, we have to tap on technology. We have no choice, right? We have to tap on technology to engage our workers, our tripartite partners in this very critical time. And I think it is also important for us to turn crisis into opportunity. We have seen many workers coming forward to join the labor movement at this point of time as well. I think that is something that's positive. Last but not least, I must say that it takes the whole of nation approach to tackle COVID-19 pandemic. So we are committed together as a labor movement in NTUC, along with our affiliated unions, to help our workers to emerge stronger, to overcome this together. Because to us, every worker matters.